Welcome to Automobiles Car, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of luxury vehicles. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2025 Rolls Royce Camper van, a vehicle that redefines luxury camping and turns heads with its breathtaking exterior design. The Rolls Royce Camper van's exterior is a marvel of modern automotive design. Unlike anything seen before, it blends the iconic Rolls-Royce design language with the rugged versatility of camper van. The first thing you notice is the majestic grille, a signature of Rolls-Royce. The van proudly wears the Pantheon grille, a massive structure that dominates the front fascia, gleaming with polished chrome, flanked by narrow, sharply designed LED headlights. The grille gives the camper van an unmistakable road presence. Moving along the side of the vehicle, the sheer size of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Camper van becomes evident, stretching over 20 feet in length. The van's elongated body reflects Rolls-Royce's commitment to elegance and grandeur. The body lines are smooth and uninterrupted, creating a sense of flow from the front to the back, in contrast to the bulky and often uninspired designs of traditional camper vans. This one is a sculpted masterpiece. Rolls-Royce has managed to make a large vehicle look graceful. Look up, and you will see the sleek, streamlined roof of the camper van. This is where functionality meets luxury. With an integrated solar panel system, the roof is designed for maximum efficiency while maintaining the van's clean, aerodynamic silhouette. There are no awkward bulges or unsightly racks. Everything is flush with the design, and you can tell that every detail has been carefully considered. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Camper van sits on massive, custom-made 22-inch alloy wheels. These aren't just any wheels, they're specifically designed to provide a smooth ride on any terrain. The suspension system, engineered for comfort and durability, ensures that the camper van handles like a dream. Even when you're far off the beaten path, the van's ground clearance is impressive, allowing for light off-road capabilities while still maintaining a low, stable center of gravity for highway cruising. The rear of the van is equally impressive, with an automatic tailgate that opens smoothly at the press of a button. The taillights, like the headlights, are slim and minimalist, with intricate LED patterns that give the van a futuristic appearance. The rear bumper is elegantly integrated into the overall design, with a hint of ruggedness in its reinforced structure. Customization is key with the 2025 Rolls-Royce Camper van, and this is especially true when it comes to the exterior finish. Rolls-Royce offers an endless array of paint options, from classic solid colors to two-tone schemes that evoke the brand's heritage. The attention to detail is staggering, with every inch of the van meticulously painted and polished to perfection. You can also choose from various trim accents, including chrome, brushed aluminum, or even blacked-out details for a more aggressive look. No Rolls-Royce would be complete without the spirit of ecstasy, and the camper van is no exception. Perched proudly at the front of the vehicle, the famous hood ornament is fully retractable, offering protection when the van ventures off-road or into rugged conditions. It's a symbol of the luxury and prestige that comes with owning a Rolls-Royce. Let's talk about the materials. Rolls-Royce is known for using the finest materials available, and the 2025 camper van is no different. The exterior features high-grade aluminum and carbon fiber components, ensuring that the van is both lightweight and durable. These materials also contribute to the van's aerodynamic efficiency, which helps improve fuel economy and overall performance. Performance is another key aspect of the Rolls-Royce Camper van's exterior design. The van is powered by a V12 engine that delivers effortless power. The sleek design isn't just for looks up, it also helps reduce drag, meaning the van can glide down highways with ease. Whether you're driving through rain, snow, or sunny weather, the camper van's exterior is designed to perform in all conditions. In conclusion, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Camper van is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. The exterior design alone tells you everything you need to know about this van. It's bold, elegant, and unmistakably Rolls-Royce. With every curve, every detail, and every material, Rolls-Royce has once again proven that they are at the pinnacle of automotive luxury. This camper van isn't just for getting you from point A to point B, it's about making the journey unforgettable. Thanks for watching Automobiles Car. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Rolls Royce Camper van, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more luxury vehicle content.